Yeah, good.
Alright, so this is the unboxing video of the package from the United States via USPS. Okay, let's try to cut the sides. Right, there we go. Ako ipadaan yung video niya. Alright. Okay. Here's the Pentax K-x dual lens kit. Okay. There's the box. We have the documentation. The strap. Some documentation. And USB cable. It's a proprietary USB cable. Okay, first we unbox the lens. This is the 18 to 55 DA light, and of course manuals, and here's the 50 to 200 DAL lens, and energizer batteries, okay, lithium batteries, and finally, the Pentax K-x. Remove the plastic. There we go. Kind of small. Okay, so that's it. That's the unboxing of the Pentax K-x dual lens kit.